Hey, welcome back. This is Rob from E2 Homes. We're over at our Balmoral custom home, and we're trying to wrap up our countertop installation here. I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the detailing that's going on. How do we achieve these clean, sleek lines with the quartz countertops? So with this bar, we've got a nice overhang here, and we've reinforced with some steel here to allow us to do a large overhang without any corbels or decorative supports like most people are used to. So this gives us a nice strong countertop and a good place for our clients to pull their bar stools up to. The guys are currently getting in the piece for the cooktop. We have an induction cooktop that's going to be flush with the countertop, and so it's a nice clean detail. There's just a few tricks to achieve that look. We have to have our cooktop at the fabricator shop just to make sure it's done just right, and then they'll come in today, put it in, and it's going to be a really sleek look.